What's up, y'all? This is kind of sporadic, so I'm gonna give it a second for people to come in here and shit. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? We'll give it a couple minutes here. Yo, Price is fucking sending it since our position this morning. Oh my god. Sheesh. Fucking sending it. I'm here, so we're more than ready. Let's get it, bro. I'm just sending my link out. What the fuck are we gonna do here? I vote sell. You know? I vote sell. Alright, let's see. Yo, yo, what up, Mite, Jaime, Cosmos? Fuck going on? Are you a millionaire? No, not liquid yet. Asset wise, yes. Liquid, no. Unprofitable thoughts. Should have held since this morning. Give a fuck, bro. Are you a millionaire? We just gonna ask it 100 times, bro? Hello, hello. What's up, yo? All right. Let's get it. Let me see what my boy doing. Is Luke alive right now? I forgot to go check. Oh, he is live right now.
Confluence is that do like a
Cool. What's up, fam? Zoom link right quick. Nah, bro. No Zoom today, bro. I got you. Give me a sec. I need you here to say that, bro. Other people won't remind me. You never get it. I just put 500 alive to match you. Turn the 2K. I just put the 500 on the live to match you. Turn the 2K I told you I put on the live 2 weeks ago into 8.5K. Easy money. That's what happens when you join Zen Lab, brother. You can turn 2K and 8.5K in 2 weeks. Jesus. Yo, what's up, player? All right, cool. All right, check it out. So, man, bro, we're just going off the same biases this morning. I told you guys, I love to, all of us gurus, when we're correct, we love to make sure we let you know that we told you. I'm no fucking exception. But I told you. Price is going to come up to, hold on, let me mute everybody here before we get crazy in this bitch. I told you guys, we're in our impulsive phase. We were going to get some type of correction here. We started to push lower. So like, all right, we're going to continue to sell from here, expect to hit new lows. We ended up finding support and push higher to now have like a 60% retracement, whatever. But bro, we're out of there. We're out of this really rough range we were fighting in last week. And now that we're sitting below 38,300, I mean, y'all know what time it is. We already spoke about it this morning. We're pushing down. We're going to come down to 37,600. And we're going to eat the entire fucking way down, As of right now, where we're at, which is a 1 to 20 from our original position today, if anybody cared. I don't give a shit because I got all the way out, all the way up here. But I need some type of structure to form, man. You know what time it is. We got a 2-tap trend line here, which is like the only lower highs that's formed since AM session, which is crazy. But let's start to form some structure. Hopefully we can get the little third tap here. Then we got some resistance form. We have no support to any degree, but give me something to play off of, And just like Naz here, bro, it's just like every structure that forms is so clean to continue lower. Break and retest traders are just eating all day long right now in these market conditions. For anybody who's new here, just look at this shit. I know it's all scrunched out, but look at this shit, bro. Look at the break and look at FX Alex G's. I can't believe FX Alex G's losing right now because this is his shit, bro. This is what he does, and it's been great lately. So, anyways, we're gonna put US 30 on the right hand side, and then we're gonna put NAS on the left, and we'll go from there. For both pairs, I'm just waiting. Damn, for the same exact thing, actually. You know, some type of resistance, some type of support to form, and then we'll take it from that point. As always, I expect to take like three, between 2 to 5 trades today. We got like 2 hours, maybe an hour. Who knows? And let's get to shooting here soon. If prices want to continue to drop and melt, fucking fine. We'll just continue to be a part of the crash over and over again until it goes to the opposite end. As far as the stop loss placement on NAS, we're gonna use a 30 point, and as far as stop loss placement on US 30, we're gonna use a fucking 50 point. Same page? We clear? I hit for 20K today. Yo, sheesh, bro. Oh, it's definitely time for a big body. Yeah, that's fucking massive. That's crazy. Shoot Zoom link, White Chocolate says. Let's see here. White Chocolate, if you're watching, 20K. Wow, no, that ain't nothing to a boss, bro. Come on now, don't be hyping him up. That's not enough, Cast. That's not enough, bro. All right, White Chocolate, I just sent you the link here. Just raise your hand when you come in, and we may or may not unmute you. For everybody in Zoom, who do we have in Zoom? My bad, in the studio making a beat with my mans. Couldn't miss this. Nah, you good, playa? We here, bro. We here. And let me move everybody over here. All right, cool. Cool. So what I'm looking for on US, like if this continues to happen again, if we actually hold this level again, which is honestly getting crazy at this point, the amount of respect structure's been doing on price the past literally like 8 hours is kind of just getting unbelievable at this fucking point. But nonetheless, man, I mean, we have a whole 250 point range to fill. So let's fucking fill it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this set in stone here. If we break below these lows, what time is it? 2:14. Yeah. So we have our new 15-minute candle opening up here within like. When does this candle close, or is it closing now? Oh, in 9 seconds here. Yeah, this is clean. This is clean. Get ready for these sells on NAS for our first trade of the day. For everybody who wasn't with me during AM session, I mean, you're fucking missing out. But for everybody who was with me, make sure you guys are playing with profits. Like, I made $3,700 during AM session, and so I really plan to risk probably like 500 to a K per position. I'm not feeling too risky today. I had a really good morning myself. All right, let me get ready here. White Chocolate in the building. I see your fucking shit, bro. I'm just getting ready for this trade right quick, so give me a second. Yeah, we ain't doing no 50 point on NAS, y'all. It's gonna be a 30 point. Which is going to be And then as far as US 30 goes, I mean, I just kind of want to see what happens at this third, or I guess second tap right now, right where we're at. But I like the sell off with NAS. We just got a little bit better structure on NAS than we do US 30. So I'm kind of focused on NAS for now. What's up? Win it. What up, man? Check it out. It's in my journal. Bro, your journal fucking cracks me up, bro. What's up, Blake? How you doing?
Chilling, bro. 8 this morning on AM, so I'm just posted up.
White Chocolate in the building. Sheesh. This the $5,000 crack giveaway? Yeah, bro. Yeah, we're giving away crack. All we need is 60 lights, and I'll hand out crack to everybody, one by one. Yeah, that's what we do here for sure. What's up, bro? You had a decent morning, you said?
Yeah, I hit a 1 to 3. It ran to like a fucking 1 to 10, but I just took out 1 to 3. That was on an instant funding account, so I could only make like 2K in a day. So I made my 2K. I made like 1,600 something. So that account is done. I got it 3 trading days ago, and it's up 5% so far, risking 0.5%. So not
Something light,
bad.
eh?
Yeah, 5K in 3 days for only risking 0.5%. It's not bad.
There we go. All right, so we got chocolate dropper right on top of my head. That's a lie, Rhonda. Bro, what the fuck is up? Donna, how you doing, fam? Good to see you in here. We randomly popping up in the middle of nowhere, bro. And yeah, if we start, listen, bro, we start flipping bullish here against all fucking odds, we'll buy too. We hit on both sides of the market, but heavily bearish. Definitely never a man to call a bottom to a market. And if we continue to tank, we'll just be there with it. But I wouldn't mind like to end the day with just a huge liquidation of us just, I mean, we got it. What happened since New York session? Let's see. Yeah, 1,000 points since New York session, 2.8. We're like 1.2% more away from them stop halting the market, which would be crazy. Some GameStop shit, some COVID shit, some housing crash shit. Mystery and Stephen Owen says W chocolate, bro. That's fucking great. What's up, bro? What's new? What are you looking at? Are you looking at buys?
Um, Let me see. I honestly haven't looked. I was just about to buy another instant funding account.
Oh,
'Cause-
do your thing, bro. We got time. We got time. We're gambling all day here.
there we go. I'm
The
about to buy
amusement
like
park
five
just
of them
opened
and
up.
just run them all up.
Dono said he likes a Stussy shirt. Dono used to go to Urban Outfitters and buy Stussy all the time.
They sell it at Urban Outfitter.
Oh, back in the day
Oh, okay.
for all the teeny
Yeah, like
bops. And then Stussy, I don't know what the hell happened. He said, "Did they?" Yeah, bro. Way back in the day, bro. I used to buy Stussy from Urban Outfitters. The fuck.
I like Stussy.
And I
They're
used to call him
they're big in
Stussy. I
Cali.
used to always think it was Stussy.
That's what
Then
I thought.
somebody
I
said
still think it
Stussy, and
is.
I
I
was
still
like,
say
"Oh,
Stussy.
okay, it's some elegant shit, huh?" Nah, bro, you rocking Stussy. You ain't rocking no Stussy.
Stussy sounds a little weak. I'm gonna keep it as Stussy.
Stussy. It's crazy. Like you're wearing a dress. You're young thuggin'.
I'm young. I'm young thuggin', I guess. Um, you guys are buying right now?
No, we don't call bottoms to the market, bro.
I was about to say it does not sound like you. Damn. Yeah, my trade's at a 1 to 16 right now.
No,
Damn.
are you still in it?
Yeah, I held this whole time.
Yeah, bitch.
I
My trade's at a
win.
1 to 20 right now.
Something
One
light
to
when it
eighteen
comes
point
to
nine.
Zen Lab.
Fucking gurus. All you gurus are the same, bro. Boasting about
Average
some
day in
fucking
average
profits.
day in the markets for Zen Lab.
Every time that's one of our favorite posts on Instagram. We'll pull out at a 1 to 3, but then price will hit a 1 to 68 over the course of the next 2 months, and we're like, yeah, my trade hit a 1 to 60, bitch. It's like, yo, chill. What was your stop loss this AM? 50 points? Yeah, bro. I'm not
Mine,
ready
I
to go
think
back
mine
to
was
30. I
yeah, mine
got
was
30
50
on
percent.
Nasdaq. What was yours, EP?
50.
50.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. I didn't think I could do that shit. Mine was 30. Yeah. Shit, bro. Then you're hitting a fucking 1 to. Could you imagine? You're at a 1 to 30 right now. That's it? Thought I taught you better than that, bro. You and Nas 1 minute chart. Oh, I'm fully aware, brother. I was trying to go down to 30 second, but it won't allow me, so we got to make more profits. Okay, so now we're starting to form a base. I mean, obviously this trend line only had its second tap. There's no third tap to it, so it holds no weight to me at all. As far as US 30 go, I mean NAS goes, it's kind of nice because now we're in a range. So now we can fuck around, you know? We start to break above these highs. We're bearish as shit, so we'll wait for extra confluence by just getting a newfound resistance to form and then break. But if it's if we break below lows, we're just gonna go with it. That's all I'm at today. All right, there's no bias needed. I really just wanted to continue to tank. I had 75, got out at a 1 to 10. In what world, bro? That's fucking nuts. 75. Yeah, don't listen to him, bro. He's just getting old, so he's getting kind of senile and crazy. All right, cool. Look at this. There's no way that it's just going to fucking reject this this structure again. This is the most perfect structure I've potentially ever seen in my entire life, my entire career. Have you noticed this, EP? FX Alex G strategy is working out crazy the past like session and a half of break and retesting.
I've not. I didn't even notice. I didn't know that's what he traded.
Break and retest, yeah. I was asking everybody to come up with a challenge to me this morning, and they were all. I was like, should we do 1K to 10K or they pick an asset of their choice that I'll trade for a month. Been away, man. Got to walk before I run again. Yeah, yeah. And the motherfucker's trying to have me do 100 to a million. I was like, bro, there's only one person on earth who can do that. And it's not me. So Naz is looking better today. Nah, bro. I think that they're both presenting good opportunities here. They look the exact same. Like if I took away both of these, they look the exact same, bro. Can't even tell if there's a difference between these two right now, but there is. These are different pairs. You know, 100 to a mil is crazy. It's crazy, bro. Oh, that's fucking crazy. All three look the same. Do they really? S and P. Can I just do SP or no? Yep. Vantage? Nah. Black ball. There we go.
Starting off.
Holy shit, bro. That's crazy. That's very odd. Psy could do it. Psy could do 100 too. Maybe so, bro. Maybe so. Yeah. I can't do it is what I'm saying. I mean, I guess I shouldn't put myself in a box. Maybe I can do 100 to a mil. Maybe I should.
I could do 100 to 10 mil. I've already done that 5 times.
110 mil? Oh, yeah. Maybe I'm the only one out of my friends that cannot do it, but I haven't tried. Maybe I should try. I just noted EP changed his name to White Chocolate. No, he didn't, bro. He just is White Chocolate, so that is what it is, bro.
Zoom already knows.
That's
Whenever
right.
I enter a room, Zoom knows.
That's facts. AI goes well beyond fucking Chat GPT, bro. You can. I believe in you. Thank you.
Known
brother.
worldwide.
Do you guys think I can flip 100 to a million? One in the chat if you guys think I can flip 1 to a million, or 2 in the chat if you think that I can flip 1 to 1 million.
Do you believe he did that?
Yeah, I believe everything. Your emotion will be crazy. No, I don't experience emotion. I've mastered that. Next thing. Okay, so we got a lot of 1s and 2s, which indicates to me that you guys think that I can do it. We don't use that other C word around here. You either can or you can. We either win or we win. Never say you can't. I see you winning trades every day. You can do it. Fuck yeah, brother. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, you guys have motivated me. I'm going to be doing 100 to 1 mil challenge. You're the Zen Master for a reason. That's crazy. I love it. Yeah, let me put that on the list to do. Flip 100 to 1 million. Cool. Yeah, we'll get that started in a couple of days. Yes, sir. Yeah, bro. If anybody can do it, it would be Alex G. I'll give you the 100. We split the profits at the yeah. What's the script here? Is there really good volume at this time? Yeah, we're actually getting quite close to buys here. Yeah, bro. We're just stuck in a range. Like I like what's happening here. Yet again, price is respecting structure. I kind of wanted a bit more of a push with this current 5 minute candle to just kind of show that, just so we can get a better break, somewhere sitting right here for the buys instead of up here at an exterior high. But it is what it is, man. I'll get us in here soon. I'm a scalper, bro. Don't If there's anybody who's gonna shoot, it's gonna be me. We just need a little bit of confluence here, We've been fucking sending it. I hop on and nothing was happening but more sending. So I'm trying to yeah, answer to your question. Usually there's some good volume during power hour. Just never use a stop loss, you'll never lose. Yep. Full pour every trade. Yeah. Damn, you guys are getting wise as fuck. I'm proud of you. We got 43 people watching for power hour. That's super impressive to me. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah, that's good.
Make sure you guys like the stream. Make sure you ask a question. Here's your time. I'm an open book. Not just for trading either. Do you wanna understand what light skin magic actually means? I will let you know. White chocolate and dark chocolate. We like to call it white chocolate and caramel. A little dolce leche. It's crazy.
Wait, what trade are you about to get in?
Really still want to take the sell off on NAS, and we're about to start getting risky now that we're holding the structure. I might go to 1 minute time frame and get us in a bit earlier with these sells.
Sells, okay. On NAS?
Yeah, nasty NAS. Y'all ready to get risky? Are we ready to
Like
trade?
the lows that were just created on the one?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
50% good boy. How do you
How do you
file your
file
taxes? Any
taxes? You
tips on
don't pay
that?
them.
I've never paid taxes, bro, so I have no idea how to do stuff like that.
They don't know you pay it, or they don't know you're not paying if you never pay.
Right, right. So if you just don't pay, more room to play. Right, right. Tax advice. It's crazy, bro. Why would you? It's crazy. No, you got to be trolling. About the taxes? Nah, bro. Dude, it's 37.5% capital gains tax. You think we're gonna pay that shit? Like, take me to jail, bro. Oh, it's getting out of control. Yeah, bro. Let's focus up here. I mean, they're over 100,000 agents short right now. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Did you hear all the motherfuckers that just got fired, bro? If there was a good time to not pay taxes, we're in it. We're in the golden era of no
Damn, I
tax
should have
paying.
actually not paid.
Yeah.
I
They ain't
got
have the
railed.
manpower to audit fuckers. Facts, bro. Facts, bro. Okay. Buys it is, guys. We're just waiting for a violation of these highs, and then we'll jump down to lower time frames and execute. We're not taking the initial break of these highs, so chill, Bill.
I thought life was all
So you
good
let
and it
me
goes.
show myself but not talk? This motherfucker. Where you
Who's
at?
this? Who are you talking about?
Miche. We get everybody in Zen Lab, just so you guys all know, everybody gets free Lambo and McLaren rentals from my boy for being a part of Zen Lab. So whoever signs up, you get free fucking rentals for life, baby. Zen Lab way, $40 a month. What's up, bro? Arthur said, "Hell yeah." Yes, sir. I'm needing that. Yeah, bro. $40 a month. Join up. Link in description. That's crazy. Okay, yeah, check it out. So now we got this violation of these highs here. You see what I'm saying? See why we didn't take that initial break? Was anybody here during the stream this morning with the market god hanging out with us? He's still here, bro. He's still fucking here. Yeah, he's still here. And honestly, we really might have to get risky so we don't have to play at the exterior low. You know what I'm saying? We already got the violation of high, so now it's like, should we just fucking risk it and push it here? Once we start to
We're
break back below
respecting a 1
those.
hour support for me.
What's that?
So we're at a 1 hour support for me on NAS.
We're at a 1 hour support on nasty ass. Okay. Yeah, I don't care about that shit, mate. At least until we fill in the rest of this gap. Even that, I don't really. I'm lying. I don't care about that shit. It's too high up of a time frame. All right. What's going on with US 30 here? Same thing. We're starting to create shows. So it would have been nice for it to come up here, you know, into this area, and then we can start to kind of fuck around. This would be the third tap to this area, so we'd finally have some valid support resistance to play off of. We only got 2 taps here on NAS. I'm trying to label this as the third reaction. Like, we came down, first reaction, and then second reaction, and then kind of third reaction here. But it's just this is 5 minute time frame, man. It's not much to vibe with. But sitting over here on the right, this is a lot clearer of structure if we can just get a last reaction here, and then from that point, whatever happens, happens. You know, if we break above and then push back, we'll counter trend trade. But if not, and we start to push below newfound support, you know, fucking send it lower. We're just over and over again playing with price action where it's currently at. Nothing special here. Nothing special here. We got white chocolate guests in the building.
So it is special.
It is special. My bad. That's right. My bad. Very special today, y'all. We got white chocolate in the building. Brilliant day. Yeah, bro, for sure. The journey continues. Emmett, you wish you trailed stop loss on that banger trade earlier? No, not at all, bro. You think I care that I only made a 1 to 3 instead of a 1 to 20? You think that bothers me, bro? At all? I don't mind at all. Oh, $3,000 day, but I could have made 30K. Who cares, bro? It doesn't faze me at all.
Emma, did you see the thing I'm doing? I'm starting a 0 to 100K a month series on YouTube.
Oh, like 100K followers?
No, 0 to 100K dollars a month made from prop firms. Like starting with only with no funding, starting with like a $1,500 credit. Like, because the way I'm doing the video, I'm like, all right, I get $1,500 to start the challenge because most people kind of have around that range, right? So first thing I did, like we talked about, I bought the $500 instant funding account. That's up 5K in profit right now. So now I still have $1,000 budget, right? Because I'm starting that 1,500. So I'm buying a 200K account right now. So I could, while I'm waiting for a payout on the instant funded, I run this one up and pass the challenge. And then I'm just gonna keep doing this, rinse and repeating, probably like for like 6 months or whatever till I hit my first 100K month through a prop firm and fully document the whole series.
Where did you buy the instant funded? That's true, bro. I don't know if it's 0 to 100 if you bought an account.
No, I'm not saying $0 a month. A $0 bank account to fucking 100,000. I'm saying $0 in funding, or
$0
just
in funding.
or just $0 in general to 100K a month. But obviously, you can't trade with $0. I'm doing fucking $1,500 starting because that's what I think most people have.
When are you starting that? That sounds fucking dope as shit.
I'm in the progress of the first video right now. I'm just doing like weekly.
How can they watch white chocolate without being on my channel? Do you do anything on YouTube or?
Only on OnlyFans.
Oh, then OnlyFans, guys. OnlyFans /white chocolate.
Nah, but yeah, if you guys want to check out the YouTube, it's just my name, Ethan Palagonia.
It's your name. I'm sorry. What was your name?
Ethan Pelagonia dot white chocolate.
Tripping, bro. Oh shit! All right, y'all. Let's get risky here. If we break below these lows, let's take this fucking trade. I'm back up. I'm putting the prompt back up again. Oh shit, dude! I'm never fucking drinking caffeine ever again. I had to cleanse up like 3 days, bro, and today just like crazy. I had to. I didn't even get a chance to go to the gym because I had a class for Mamba's mentorship before this. So I fucking left the class, bro. I went ham and I went fucking on a bike ride, bro, for like 30 minutes, going as hard as I possibly can on that bitch, and still came back, and I still just like full energy. So I don't know. There might be just a little crack in the coffee or whatever, dude. But we're getting close here. We're about to close here. It looks like bearish. You know what I'm saying? And if we do, we're close to execution, man. I'm pretty much tight. We've already got a manipulation of highs somewhere often than not. If we push back up, you know what's gonna happen. And then a sell-off, we're just simply trading with trend and same exact thing. We've already grabbed all the buyers that were trying to push above this breakout point here. And if we fucking tank now, like let's go. Either one. Let's just do it. But until this candle closes bearish, I'm not holding this as a newfound resistance. If you know, it just price continue up. It has to close bearish, and then we'll take a break above these highs. Oh, let me get ready here. Give me a second, y'all. Has he lost a bet or something? Why? Who? Why? With the white chocolate shit? No, bro. He's a slayer of the
Slayer of the
chocolate,
white
bro.
chocolate.
So they named him. She named him. You know, we didn't come up with that name. We're just enforcing it. If he wants to tell you the story of how he came up with that nickname, he can.
What? I don't know what story it'd be. I just have a past of white chocolates.
Facts. Emmett, repeat what you said. If it closes bearish, what? If it closes bearish,
Huh?
now that this closed bearish, I'm good to take a break above these highs for sure.
Yeah, because we broke that, or we made a little new high.
Sheesh, bro, it's game time, y'all. Fucking finally. Woohoo!
It breaks these lows.
Let's go. We got 50 people watching for this fucking dub. We already. Let me funnel it back. We already won this morning, so if we lose today, right now, we're still winners, y'all. Let me cover my ass here. Fucking gurus. Okay. Are we cooking, Chad, or what? Are we cooking, Chad, or what? It's close.
Nah, shorts now. If you're gonna, or like at these lows.
Nah, if we
25
break
points
past this
off.
white line, y'all get in. If not, don't get in.
Are you doing 25 or 30? I'm doing 25.
I'm doing 30. I'm doing a dirty 30. We're close, y'all. You gotta wait though. Don't get in prematurely. Don't be that fucking guy. Nobody likes that guy. That guy sucks. Careful on fake outs. No, we're good, bro. I already talked. I already called it in. It's time for takeoff. The guy doesn't even like that guy. Jacob, I'm starting with them, then going for max allocation with all firms.
Yeah, I was just responding to him.
Oh, that's
See
you.
that?
I was like, what? Literally making pancakes while speculating. Yeah. Oh god. I want it to break now and not at the end of the 5 minute. Y'all know how I am with that shit. It doesn't change anything. It doesn't matter, but
Bro, I've been loving the 2 minute.
you fucks with the 2 limit? Whoa, that was so close, bro. I'm still not in though. Oh damn, that LED light is intense. Oh wait, look, my bad. Look how close it was. Jeez. I do wish this would have fucking happened not at the end of the candle, but it is what it is. Right? It's a new 15-minute candle soon, you know. So we're gonna have to expect the top wick type shit. We're in this though. We're not in. I'm not in, but I'm in once we break past the white line. It is what it is. I've accepted risk. First trade of the day. Whatever, dude.
I'm already in those.
EP's already in. I'll let you guys know when it taps me in. All right, we're cooking. All right, we're cooking. That stop loss was 30. Would you rather go with E8 or Blue Guardian? We have a new 15-minute, y'all, so we have to expect drawdown here. I expect us, unfortunately, to come up and like tap this moving average at least a bit before continuing lower. In my opinion, we can tank from here, but unfortunately, man, we got to hold it out here. Why is my stop loss so... Oh, I put a 50 point on... I put 50 point risk. I don't want that big of a stop. My risk for $500 is all the way up here. I don't want that big of a stop though. But if I didn't though, we'd be risking like $300 on this trade, bro. This is what we'll do. If we can re-break these lows, I'm gonna get in a little bit heavier, and I'm also gonna bring this back down to the 30. It is what it is. Let's get a little risky here today. We're still just playing with profits. It's just gonna be the $500 risk. It's not nothing crazy. Would you rather go? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, that's what I was. Oh, you're at. Bro, you can answer him.
I don't want to interrupt your teaching.
Oh, you're good, player. I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. We're in for the long haul, my brother. Let's go to 5 minute time frame and let's see what the fuck happens. You guys saw we came up and tapped into that moving average, so now we should tank from here. Should. You know, anything could happen, but it's looking pretty good here. I need to create a video. All right, it's PM session. I just got into my first trade. We got white chocolate in the building. We got 50 people watching us.
There we go. Yep. I'm sitting at break even. Oh, a little bit in profit.
That guy, oh, why is it not? He's looking for a 3R to R.
I'm looking
Um,
to right now.
I don't know, man. I'm already mad I pulled out fucking early up here, but we are low to have no kickback before session close, so we'll see. Probably same as normal. We'll come to these lows. I'll take out half or some shit. Yada I mean? And then from that point, we'll decide what to do from that point. Currently sitting up $200. Type shit. Looking for a 3R. It's crazy right now. I'm even nervous looking for a 1R, but that's just me being soft because we've tanked 1,000 points. It has nothing to do with the actual what could happen. It just like, holy fuck, we've tanked, you know? And when we come down to these exterior lows, like I always speak about, we really do expect some type of kickback. So that's why I kind of want to just remove half because I am expecting us to grab a little bit before continuing lower. We finally learned how to take out partials. We'll share with Hugo, bro. Share with him, bro. On TradingView, Hugo, I got you. Jeez. It's a beautiful day in the lab, man. Everybody helping everybody. You know, as far as US 30 goes, now look, this is what I'm talking about, bro. We got that third reaction to this area now. You know, we have fucking an area to play off of now. And so once we eat on this trade, we'll go over there and then we'll eat over there. I didn't know before, but I just pulled out a few and letting it go. Oh, trade locker. It's either 1K or BE for me. Now we'll pull out once we hit like 500 or so. I'm already at my 4K day for the day, so I'm gonna no cap be a little mad if I go underneath it. We'll just keep it a buck with y'all. I'm at 4,081 too, so we could demon scalp right now, pull out and just take micro moves to get a buffer and then go crazy, or just hold this lump sum because mama didn't raise no bitch and see what happens.
I think that's what you do. Stop worrying about the money, Emmett.
Dude, the money's everything, bro. Yeah, I feel you. I do feel you. Mama didn't raise, no. I mean, it is what it is, bro. She didn't. Fuck, I actually entered on 30 on my personal. What's wrong with that? Oh no, bro. What you trying to say, bro? Oh, because we're on NAS. Whoops. You're fucked. You're fucked, my brother. They all look the damn same to me, my brother. If we were to take US 30 sales, it would be right here. So we don't have to hit that exterior low. The same thing we just did on NAS. If we were going to take sales, which I'm not yet, trying to be, you know, I'm not trying to lose two in a row back to back because they're both moving the same exact way. This would be the trade I would take. Take that with what you will. I'm going for the 50K account tomorrow. That's it? Yeah, I got NAS for the fundeds, but did 30 stop loss on 30 for the personal. Come on, bro. Sitting up. Who cares? We're always sitting up.
This trade's looking good for Nas.
All right,
I
y'all,
like
we're
it.
up. And we got 54 fucking people up with us.
That's
White
great for
Chocolate,
me
what do
to
you got
start.
to say to my newest reel?
It's your newest reel. Let me
Yeah.
check it out. I have not seen it.
No, to me, to the reel that I'm going to create right now from this clip.
Oh, um, White Chocolate says to trade a simple system like breakout trading that just co-lines with price action. None of this ICT BS. Just simple trading. That's all you need. Don't overcomplicate things. 'Cause the more complex your system is, the harder it is to replicate day by day.
Oh, shit. I fell asleep. What'd you say? Thank you for those kind words, sir. Love the energy, white chocolate. Yeah, man. Dubs in the chat for white chocolate. Big W. Dub. I love when I did that poll the other day. I said, y'all want white chocolate, Luke, or somebody else? Everyone said white motherfucking chocolate, bro. I love that
That's what I
shit.
like to hear.
You hear me? We're up $380 right now. We're up $400 right now.
I'm
And we
currently
got
up
50 people
1,200.
up a lot of money, too.
I
Holy
know.
shit.
One.
Holy shit. All right, you guys are up like 20 points. As soon as we hit these lows, take out half, or just take out half now. Take out half now. We just hit lows. Well, on mine we did. On mine we did. I just took out half. And the rest, who cares what happens? Now we have a buffer so we can really play with the next trade, you know? No, I'm not in this trade over here to the right, but I was just saying, if I was, and now we could start looking for a trade over here too. Take out half. Clap it up for yourself. Dubs in the chat. 25 points so far. And, yeah. White chocolate, you got the next one, brother.
For what?
I don't know.
All right.
Hell yeah. Next trade. Dubsky, yeah.
I mean, I've been looking at apartments in Tampa, downtown.
Really?
Yep.
And anything decent or?
Yeah, the high rises are nice. I just I want to be in a house, but I'm not gonna live in a house alone. Like a 2-bed, 3-bed, no point. So I was just looking at like some high rises there. They're all nice. I'm just tired of West Coast time zone, waking up at 6.
Facts, fam. You know one thing I will say though, like I always thought about it. Why are like as a trader we don't have to operate off of normal times, you know what I'm saying? Like why do times in California bother you? Because you like even if it's fucking 4 o'clock in the morning, why would that bother you? When we're traders, like why would it matter? Like do you like being up during the day? You don't like being up in the middle of the night and shit?
Like you're talking about staying up all night?
Mm-mm. Like you don't like New York session time there is what, 9, 8, 6:30 in the morning?
Yeah.
Why don't you like that?
I like sleeping in a bit. I like
Yeah.
being up at night a bit like more. Like I like staying up to like midnight.
Yeah, and I'm opposite. I mean, you know me, but I be
Yeah.
going to sleep fucking 8, 9 o'clock, bro, and I wake up at 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So I think I would actually really like to live in California versus Florida. Like I like Colorado trading times better than Florida, which is kind of interesting. Make sure you guys put stops to B. We already pushed past these lows. If you didn't pull anything out, that's fine. I got half out. So now we're up to $4,200, 42.92 for the day, and then I just have like 300 floating, 250 floating. I wish I could fall asleep before midnight. Oh no, bro, I don't. I used to be like that. I just like, I don't know, man. Grass is always green on the other side. Sometimes I be thinking like, man, I wish I could stay up till midnight. All the bros like the call. Traders like the call, except for EP. Me and EP do good talking like in the middle of the day, like pretty much like noon my time. But all other traders like to be talking at fucking midnight and 1 in the morning and shit. It's like, bro, I'm trying to sleep, bro. And so what I've had to do is my phone's on do not disturb at 10 o'clock, where nobody can reach me and shit. Because all the all the friends like to do crazy ass shit. I'm about to be really happy that we closed partials here, y'all. We haven't even hit a 1-to-1, right? I mean, it's 25 points, 27 points. We hit lows, 1-to-1 to me. 25, 26. So we were 4 points away. Right, and we already taken partials. I'm up gas money. I can't pay no bills with this. Damn, bro. How much did I make? $210, bro. You really can't buy shit with that, bro. Let's keep it real. You can buy shit with that. I just fucking bought the last like 2 boxes of tile for my bathroom like 2 days ago. That was $200. Bam. That just shit covered like a like a square like this big, bro. It's crazy. Oh, I tried. 20 plus years closing down kitchens, total life change. I did that shit for 2 years, fam. I'll let you guys know when I'm out. We're still in. I don't know if I said it for the. I don't know if I told y'all, but we closed partials here. We're just waiting to see what's happening with the rest of it. Stop to the B. What's up? What's up, Julian? You already missed the biggest dub, bro. We just hit hundreds of pips. Or at least a gym membership, laughed my ass off. $200 is a week of food. Yeah, right. You know damn well it's not even close. You wish. Definitely not for Jaime got kids. $200 isn't even a week of food for me, bro. I can only imagine having like kids and shit. Like no way. We don't even eat out that much. You know, like we probably eat out. I probably eat out like 4 times a week, four or maybe like around there. Eggs are $20. Yeah, bro. Facts. Yeah, man. Facts. Scratching my head. It is what it is, bro. This is the time, you know, you have people who fucking complain about it, and you have people who make 20K in a day. Which person do you want to be? I'm right in between. 4K a day. I'm right in between. Still complain about it, but still make good money. My expenses are on cars, not food. Laugh my ass off. Gotta switch it up. Oh yeah, nah, bro. It's cool though. It's cool, bro. I like watching your story with all your supercars and shit. It's the same nowadays, anyways. 25 to cook one meal at home, 25 to eat out. Hell no. 25 to eat out? Are you insane, bro? We went to. I just took my girl out to Mamba's Kitchen, which is just like a diner that we like to go to on Sundays. Bro, that shit was like $60, and that is the lowest tier. Not lowest tier. It's great food. It's really good food. We might have to scale in here, y'all. That was I don't know, bro. That was like good hole in the wall fucking food. We'll just put it that way. You know, $60. I got 2 coffees, a fucking skillet. She got a skillet, and then I think that's it. $60. You know, this is the life we live in, y'all. If you guys are not making fucking $1,000 a day, or I mean, nah, that is. I mean, yeah. 1K, 5K a week, 5, 10. Yeah, yeah, bro. If you're not making $1,000 a day, this is tough. It's just tough. Shit. I'm out. Or I'm not out. But I'm getting out though. I just got out. I unfortunately lost like $53 because I didn't have stops to be. I fucked up. I'm out though. I'm out. Moving on to the next trade. Boring price action. So I'm sure you guys can notice I'm very, very low on risk today. Very low on risk today. Now US 30, which is really nice, is giving us opportunity. Remember, this is the first hourly open. So for price to push up like this, and if we were to close here, that would be the hourly flip, just to fucking continue lower without having to worry about getting our stop loss caught up in these lows. We can't really pull out anything out of lows because it's like a 1 to 0.5. We got to extend past it, but at least our entry will be able to hold a bit more weight, you know? I like US 30 for the secondary sell-off, but we got 4 minutes before the 5-minute fucking closes. Let's go see how my boy's doing. How's Luca doing? I know y'all be going back and forth and shit. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, he's not trading. He's just Oh shit! Yo, what? He just jumped in the pool? What the fuck? This is what we jump into. He got a dub. He took the same sell you did. Oh, facts. Nigga, bro. What the fuck? I had no idea. Yeah. Hold on, I just want to hear it for a second.
I was way cooler than I thought.
Damn. That's fucking hilarious. Look at this nigga with the really beautiful fucking blue face, bro. I love that. In
A man
person,
of his
it's
word.
just a really,
I do
really
what I
nice
gotta do.
blue.
If I say it, I do it. Holy shit, chat. Oh my god.
Well, shit, he
I do
fucking jumped in
need
the pool.
a
What
towel,
crazy
though.
fucking time. Damn, we gotta have a better stream, bro. There's people jumping in pools. Yesterday at like 4 o'clock in the morning, I was watching Ali's stream, and he fucking jumps in his pool with the most cinematic background. Look at this shit, yeah. Look, let me just show y'all real quick what we're in competition with over here. Ali, watch this shit, bro. Ali trades. I was like, yo, what the fuck? Stream, look at this shit. Look at this background, first of all.
Good luck, guys. I hope it wins.
I don't know who that guy is. But look at this background, and then look what this guy does towards the end
Look at
of
the
it,
overall
bro.
trend on it. Like,
This is where I hopped on. This is twice now where I hopped on with bros jumping into the fucking pool, bro. Look, he's about to do it right here. That's my guy. It was beautiful. Oh, you know Ali? Yeah, I met him, I don't know, like 3-4 times
I'm
now.
gonna freeze.
Twice in Miami, once in... Oh, no, once in LA. I met him in Dubai. Yeah, I've seen this. I've seen him like 4 or 5 times. Yeah, look, bro. This
No
motherfucker
pump
hops
fake
in the
me
pool,
here. No
bro.
pump fake. Guys.
It's like, what? It's because he is 17.
Ah,
Whatever the fuck. Oh, you guys missed it, I guess.
bro.
Oh, yeah, he did it. It's a G shit.
I'm like a little against GJ cells is because
So,
the Japanese yen.
I guess I gotta build a pool in my office, bro. I don't know. Shit. I don't know if we can do that, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, all right. This trade's pushing up. Good for us for taking out. You know, just minor scalp. It's so easy to fucking pull money out, bro. Even though it's minor and shit. So fucking easy, bro. Micro Romero says big dubs. So fucking easy, bro. All right, let's move on to this next trade. If we break above these highs, we'll go ahead and execute for the second to last trade before I end the stream. Yeah, Money Man got to build that pool. Your Money Man got to build that pool. No, I'm not trusting any fucking contractors to build a pool in my house. They all suck, bro. Florida contractors. Colorado contractors, incredible. Florida contractors, bad. I mean that shit too, bro. Been incredible the experience we've had with fucking people out here. Y'all be shocked of all the shit I just did myself because I'm a beast. Just because I'm a trader, bro. I have backgrounds in working with my hands, you know? I do everything the correct way. We never linked yet. I was supposed to when I was in LA, but we started the journey in a group around the same time. Oh, no shit. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Damn, white chocolate's gone, fam. I know white chocolate will be down with these buys. Oh, Mr. Moneyman himself going to build it. Yes, bro. Facts, bro. I will. Don't tempt me. Our new YouTube videos will be like building my house and shit. I bet you people would love that, but I have a trading page, so it just can't happen, bro. It is what it is. It's gonna be a 30 point for this one. Same thing. Now we got a little bit to play with to risk. Not really, but it's all good. Let's just risk it and have some fun. I'm cool with these buys now that we're gonna start to retrace before we end the session. I think, you know, like I'm cool with this shit now. Let's run it. I'm gonna risk like pretty much like $600 on this position. So I'm going damn near double of what I was risking last position. If we lose, I'll be back below the 4K for the day, but I'm fine with it. I don't give a shit. Let's gamble. Let's cordially gamble. Emmett, you getting into gas buy once it breaks the line, or waiting for rest and re-break? No, we've already. This has already been the break. This was already the violation. You know, the secondary push up is happening now. This is set in stone. My bad. Let's set it in stone here. Bow. All right, now we're set. As far as a sell-off with US 30, yeah, I don't mind it though. I really don't mind to go with trend here. They both just been doing the same thing, so I'm keen to, fool me but can't get fooled again. But whatever one hits first, let's execute. We'll leave all that fear and uncertainty for the other fuckers, I can't even remember the last time we lost. I'm not gonna lie. It was Monday of last week. It was a rough day. I remember it like it was yesterday. Oh, the legend is back. We were about to take a trade, bro. We needed your input. I don't think you can hear us.
On buys?
Yeah. Half a year ago. Damn. What's up, BP? What's the next what's the next trip for you?
I have to go to Kansas, or I don't have to go. I'm choosing to go, but I'm going to Kansas City, like the town, to have like good barbecue and see one of my buddies that live there. Just kind of explore that area. I never travel the U.S., so doing that in like a month or something. But after that, I think just Canada for a week, and then yeah, I don't know, nothing really planned much. I'm enjoying being here.
Just chill, yeah, bro. I mean, you've been out for a minute, so it's probably nice to just chill. I'll be honest, like me too. I kind of just been enjoying being home, and now that my house is like done, bro, like I want to be home, bro. I want to just fucking relax and enjoy it a little bit.
Tell him that trip to Kansas is boring. I don't know. Kansas City looks sick. My buddy lives in Kansas City. It's like a big city. Really good barbecue and like cool bars and stuff. I'm just going for like 4 days or something. Just a little getaway.
Damn, we're gonna open up like this. What do you think about? Can you see my chart?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think about buys answer? What do you think about either one of these?
I don't like the US 30 sells that much. I like the US. I like the Nas buys better.
I knew it. Yeah, I fuck with, and I'm opposite. I like the US 30 sales better, but I'm open to buys just because of like what we just did, bro. We already swept above these highs, and now we're starting to break back into that area. So
Yeah.
I'm kind of fucking with it, but I just like the structure formed on US 30 and being a part of trend. Just kind of clean.
I don't know. It's late in the day, so I don't know much is gonna happen.
350 candle. I'm actually a firm believer now. Dr. Dollar himself taught me it. 350 candle always has volume. Once it rebreaks the line, let's go. You got to show us the remodel. Yeah, Donna, you just have to hit me up personally, bro. You know I don't show any of my shit. I gotta get behind closed doors first, bro. Get like a gated community or some shit. Tell him to skip that trip. Kansas is boring. Michael said skip the trip. Kansas is boring.
I already replied.
Oh.
I said I'm going to Kansas City, so it's pretty cool there. You get really good barbecue and cool bars and stuff. I'm only going for like 4 days, so it's just a little getaway. See a buddy of mine mainly.
Yeah, not gonna lie, Kansas, we drove through. Kansas is a rough place to drive through. Honestly, Texas was too. I don't know
Yeah, I
what the
went
big
to
hype for
Oklahoma once.
Texas
That
is,
shit
if we're being
sucked.
honest. What's that?
I went to Oklahoma once, and that shit sucked.
I've drove through Oklahoma. I don't think I ever like you hung out there for a while.
Yeah, like I
Oh
have family
shit.
there, so I went for like a week.
Oh okay.
Kind of brutal, but at least where I'm just doing Kansas City, where like the actual city's at, big like metropolitan. But the purpose of trip is just see my buddy more than going to Kansas.
Y'all some city boys. Hell yeah, bro. I'm a hella city boy, but I'm turning real non-city, my brother. You just wait. We're tying up all of our loose ends here in city life as we speak, including this house. There was a whole reason why I remodeled this whole bitch from head to toe. Because we gone, playa. I'm done with the city life. I've done it my whole life. I'm ready to go now. You know, it's been fun. I've enjoyed it. Moving on to other things. Yeah, we gone. You coming to Tennessee? Potentially, bro. Yeah. One of the Carolinas, Tennessee, we gone, bro. As much land as I can possibly get, as far away as I can possibly be. Wow, we have 70 people watching right now. Holy shit. During power hour? Holy fuck. Appreciate you guys for showing up, man. Make sure you guys like the stream. We're just making people money every day. Seriously. Not joking. If you don't believe me, ask the chat. Chat, do we make money every day? For real though. You know, look out for me. If somebody was coming in from the outside in, they're like, yo, what does this guy do? What do I do? What do we do here? What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Bro, let's go. Come to Miami. I would like to meet you in person. Yeah, I'm always coming to Miami, bro. I come there fucking like 3 to 5 times a year, fam. I'll always be there. I'll definitely meet you next time I come out there. Every
So
day we make rent. All right. Hell yeah.
you're telling me I'm thinking of moving to Tampa, and then you're moving out of Tampa.
No, we're not. Trust me, bro. We're not going anywhere for like a year.
Oh, okay.
But like a year, you know, I guess a year is kind of pushing it. But 6 months to a year. Bro, come out here. It'll sway my opinion right away. I'll leave my girl. We'll go get a house together. Everything. It's crazy. Never seen you wince once. I don't know what he talking about. Facts, bro. Damn. Shot to the heart. Oh. I'll be in Hollywood in June. Oh, no shit. Like Hollywood, Florida, or California? I assume California or Florida, but yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, come out, bro. I'll come down there, bro. Yeah, Jaime lives there too. I'll come down there, bro. If you come out and shit, I'll come down there. Yeah, we gotta have some fun though. I'm not bringing my girl, so we can meet up with some hoes, have some fun. Just kidding, bro. My girl goes everywhere with me. My girl will pull way more hoes than I will for sure. Brutal, yeah. Where? I got a condo downtown. Oh shit, where do you live, bro? When are you coming? When are you coming out here?
Me?
No, Donna. Are you trading on 5 minute or 2 minute? To be honest, 2 minutes seems a lot better. Yo, EP, yo, you're grounded, G.
Huh?
Motherfucker say, are you trading on 5 minute or 2 minute? To be honest, 2 minutes seems a lot better.
I'm on the two.
That's crazy. I'm on the 5 minute, but 5 minute and 1 minute, bro. EPTs at us. I know, bro. I'm waiting for EPT. He's stressing me out. EP hits.
Waiting for what?
We're waiting for a dub, bro. If EP says shoot, I shoot. Period.
I called the dub last stream today.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's
You should.
nothing happening right now. I think volume died out. I think it's done for day.
Emmett, quit playing. What do you mean, bro? You quit playing. I'm really not playing. I'm just trying to give you guys as much value as I possibly can. And the only way I know how to do that is by taking Nas buys right now, bro. But I'll be there for weeks because I have Egypt in July. Hell yeah. Can I be your Arabian chocolate? Hell yeah.
Yes,
Hell
I do
yeah.
buy chocolate.
100% iPhone 450. What's up, Thomas? You have a buy stop, E? Yeah, fam. Yeah.
Me? Oh, you.
Ugh. Oh, damn. Crass? Caffeine crash? Can I be Arabian chocolate? I fixed my name. Rita. What's up, Rita? Oh my God, we're coming so close, bro. What's the word? Are we doing it or not?
I'm about to go cook up a sandwich real quick.
Pause. What happened, bro?
What? I'm about to make a sandwich. I haven't eaten yet today.
Ooh, what kind of food? What kind of Sandy?
Steak and runny egg sandwich. Like,
Oh, yeah.
like some cut up ribeye and like some poached eggs.
They said white chocolate can't leave yet. Yeah, facts, bro.
I don't
It's
want
not
to
me,
trade
it's
this
him, bro.
late.
Huh?
So I don't want to take a trade this late.
Oh yeah.
Although-
Oh yeah. He's fighting a psychological battle right now. He knows that he hits every single time he executes, and so he's dying inside not to execute right now.
That's it.
If you guys just cheer him on with tons of suck it the fuck up, mommy ain't raised no ... It'll get him going, bro. All right, we're about to get into these buys here, yeah.
The buys do look clean. I like them a lot.
As soon as you break
25.
above this white line, that's hella close to my trigger. Any higher to this, and my trigger's in. And this will be the second to last trade before we end the stream. Facts.
Bam.
Supply before coffee. It's like gas. Wait, what? Oh, we're so close. Oh, come on, bitch. This is what we're going to do, y'all. We're going to let this hit full TPs, and then we're going to tag Emmett on Instagram and let him know what we made. All right, let's get it. We're in this trade. I'm in. Let's focus up here. Who's in this trade? One in the chat. Let's see it. Hurry. I need to see. Who's in this chat right now? Who's in this trade right now? We're up $180, $200. 111. We got Rita's in the fucking shit. Williams in the shit. Cedric's in the shit. Taylor's in the trade. Jeez. Gosh. Pia's in the game. Come on now. DeMarcus in the game. If you guys would like your name shouted out when you put ones in the chat, you have to join my group. Link is in the description, and I'll shout out your name when you put ones too. Christie's in the game. Up 150 on a .01 loss. Sheesh. I'm up $360 on that air. You feel me? YFM? Hugo's in this motherfucker. Let's go, baby. We were sitting up 20 points, so if we go out now, at least we went out like some champs. We still got 3 minutes until this candle closure, so I can see a rocket in our near future. Up $120. Steven said, oh, he's not in this chat. I forgot I can't shout him out. Hell yeah. Appreciate you guys for showing up to this trade. In return, you'll get paid, my brother. Donald's up 500. He says, stop playing. Please. Please stop playing. I think it's time for some more caffeine or something, bro. Been feeling great all day. Fuck drugs. We got caffeine. I'm in all of them, I think. You're in all of them? Let's go, baby. Oh, he's in the group. Yeah, shout out Steven. Emmett with the dubs. Come on, yo. Crazy. TP1 smashed. My TP1 smashed. Dubs in the chat. TP1 smash. See how easy that is? Dubs in the chat. Hell yeah. I still got to hit the gym. I need to end the day. TP1 actually smashed now. We're up $600. Make sure you guys take out another half. Make sure you take out another half. Make sure you take out another half. And we'll keep it going here. What is that? That's 50 points on the day. I did take out half. I'm not joking. Look. $230. I still got $120 floating. It's about to come back and hit us. Come on, bro. Can we get a runner? Caesar track star. Thank you for today. I mean, yeah, brother. Take care. That's what I do. Just help you, my brother. This my shit cut a little deeper than yours. You heard me. Oh, you heard me. Damn it, bro. Don't fucking do this shit to me. It's about to take me out, B. We're still holding tight, though. Just my cut's a little deeper than yours, you heard? B, it is. Nah, bro. Nah, brother. No, brother. BE, it is not. BE, it is not. Can't take out half on a .01. We're going to have to work on that, bro. It's all right. We're here every day. Everybody's got to start somewhere. I feel your pain, bro. Everybody's got to start somewhere, bro. Rita feels your pain. It looks like we're about to be taken out here. As soon as this drops, like any lower, we're out of there. I'm gonna actually put my stops to be, so I don't have to stare at it and shit. 17,667.38. 17,667.38. I'll let you guys know when I'm out. I'll let you guys know if I get out. I'm in class right now. Why would you be in class when you could just be making money with us? It's crazy. Tell the teacher Mama ain't raised now. And see what she says. Yeah, look at this. This is nuts. Sometimes if you just get really quiet, the market will go in your favor. It just needs silence. Okay, and I'm out. Fuck. Sometimes you gotta do whatever you can, bro. All right, so we made 230 on that trade, 210 on the first trade. So we're up $440, which means we're up $4,400 which means we made 10% of what we made this morning just by executing price action on 5-minute time frame. You know, simple as fuck, yo. Look at that tap to 1 minute though, or the TP1, yo. Golly. I think white chocolate was correct. I think that price is ready for me to take another trade and win again. So stay tuned for that. I got it at TP1. Time to catch some sleep before night shift. Crawling out of this rat race. Yo, I respect the grind, bro. I do. For sure. Keep fucking trudging, yo. I know how it is. I'm still grinding every day, too. I haven't hit any of my goals, man. There's so much more to figure out. Enter sales now. Nah, JK. Nah, you crazy. Yo, listen, man. Everything is methodical, you know. We may hop on here and you guys may think things aren't methodical, but the reason why things go so smooth is because we simply operate out of the same parameters and do the same exact thing every single day. There's no difference to what I do on a day-to-day basis. That's why people like Steven Owens, who've been showing up since I started coming back on camera every single day, are doing very well for himself, making 15 shit, made more money than I did today. Because we're simply just doing the same exact thing over and over again. Obviously, over the course of time, we're going to get really fucking proficient at what we do, you know? Obviously. And cheers to continuing that growth of being extremely proficient. But the only way we're able to do so is by going off our data. And our data shows that there's no structure right now. All we got is exterior highs and lows again. We got an exterior high up here that's starting to form. We got an exterior low sitting down here. So what do we got to do? Well, we got to wait for some type of new structure to form, and then we'll take the break here. If we start to hold it, which we've been holding here in the past, or if we start to create some new structure sitting down here or whatever, then we can take that break just so once price starts to break beyond these exterior highs and lows, we don't get caught up in that shit. Because when you go start to look at exterior highs and lows, you know, previous session highs and lows, simply just structure points, lower highs, lower lows, higher lows, you always get most, not all, but most, I mean 80% of all manipulation comes from exterior highs and lows. You know, if you understand that, if you can actually start to understand that, things can get really fucking simple for one, but two, I mean, you can really start to hit just a lot, just all day long. I mean it. Not being cocky, you guys have been watching it for a long time, but it has to be on your terms. You know, taking the trades have to simply be on your terms. And if it's not, you know, having it's not courage, having the strength to just be able to operate as a speculator while you wait for things to line up in your degree again, that's where the 95% of people fail. Really though. I genuinely don't think what I do here is anything special. I don't think it's anything crazy that I do that you guys can't do. I don't, not that I don't put myself on the pedestal. I genuinely have seen very complicated ways of trading, and I genuinely think this is the most simplistic fucking way to do it. And I think the only thing that separates me from most of you guys is I have no willingness to operate outside of my system to any degree. You know, even when I say I am, it still mechanically involves my system because I'm just rewired to that degree at this point. I understand what happens when I don't trade off my emotions, I trade off my system. So anyways, man, I'll leave you guys with that. You know, as always, if you guys want to learn from me personal, link down in description. If you want to take all my trades outside of every other day, link is down in description. It is $40 a day or a month. Should be $40 a day. $40 a month. Want to learn from me personally? It is $3,000. And if you want to get a funded account from me, then go DM Dollar and say, hurry the fuck up and release your firm so we can all get funded. Outside of that, that's pretty much all I got. White chocolate's still here. Is there anything you wanted to tell the people, brother? EP says, fuck all of you. I'm just kidding. I think he froze right here. I don't know what's going on, but it's like frozen. Let's see that sandwich, white chocolate. Yo. Okay. But yeah, ICT overcome. Yeah, whatever, man. And you know, one thing that we do here and what we do here well is we operate in our own lane, you know. Not only do we operate in our own lane, you know, on this highway, there is only one lane. So we don't even, it's not that we have blinders on, it really is you versus you. ZenLab versus ZenLab. Anything outside of what other people are making on a day-to-day basis, what other people are overcomplicating and such. Luckily for everybody here, we don't have to deal with any of that because I don't overcomplicate anything, and I'm here every fucking day. So show up. Let's make some money together. I love these outros, so I was just making sure there wasn't anything else I wanted to put in there before I ended it, but I think that was solid, you know? So before I get out of here, big ones in the chat if you made money with me, and put a 2 in the chat if you made money with me, because everybody should have fucking made money today. It was morning and afternoon session, but I just want to see where we're at. We good? Everybody happy? We're making money? We're doing our thing? Big dubs? You know? This is what it's about. I appreciate you guys showing up. I really do. I put my all into all of these calls, and will continue to do so as long as you guys receive value. You know, that's what we're here for, is to have purpose, and this is my purpose. I found it. Cool. We got a lot of ones. All right, y'all. Take care. We'll see you guys potentially tomorrow for Power Hour. As far as mentorship students, I will definitely see you guys tomorrow in the morning. So everybody take care. Goodbye.